To buy stocks on the Etrade app, start by downloading and installing the app from the App Store or Google Play. Then log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by providing personal information, selecting your account type, and linking your bank account to fund it. Once you're logged in, use the search bar to find the stock you're interested in buying by typing its name or decimal symbol. Navigate to the stocks page and tap the Buy button, which will open a trade ticket where you can set your order details. Set the action to Buy. Enter the number of shares you want to purchase in the quantity field, and choose a price type, either Market to buy at the current price or Limit to set a specific price. Decide on the duration of your order. Then double-check all the details, including fees. After reviewing, swipe or click Place Order to confirm. The app will notify you when your order is fulfilled. After buying, you can track your stock's performance under the Portfolio section of the app.